就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Haka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。这个月要教的这个词啊，很棒啊，因为我们希望每一次我们这个播出 We Love Haka， 大家都可以听 ，OK？ 每一次 every time. There's a lot of times we're going to use the word every time. How do you say every time in Haka?
大拜。
大拜 ，OK? That means every time. 有的时候有一些朋友很大方啊，每一次都请客吃大餐啊，
真好哦。
我也应该要请你多一点吃大餐，对不对？
我会记在本子上。
Alice's been waiting for me to treat her to more dinners. I have, but not enough. But I got a lot of friends who do, and let's say you want to thank them, OK? 每一次都请大餐的这样的一个状况好了，
Okay.
好不好 ？All right， 谢谢你请我吃大餐。Thank you for treating me to this big meal.
按字 say，
按字 say，
呛爱是澎湃。
呛爱是澎湃。
按字 say，
谢谢你
呛爱
了。
是澎湃。
哎呀，请你吃大餐这样子嘛，对不对？
对，
吃澎湃就是
很丰富
eating a big
了。
hearty meal. That's right. OK. 每次都给你请客，今天换我了。A lot of times a friend treats you to dinner all the time. It's your turn. 怎么说？
大拜都本唔呛，
大拜都本唔呛，
見本意本愛啦。
見本意我爱啦，我爱就是
换我
，my
啦
turn， 我爱。OK, that means my turn. 見本意 today, it's my turn to treat you. 要请的话就叫做呛，对 ，that means to treat. 那我就不客气喽。That means okay, I'll go ahead and take it. All right.
給愛超冇聲音了。
給愛超冇聲音了。OK, 冇聲音就是不客氣啦，對不對？
不客氣。
It's kind of a way of saying I accept it, you're welcome, thank you, and I'll go ahead and take the offer. Okay, it's a form of politeness in Chinese and in Hakka as well, of course. 不客氣，冇聲音，好不錯，很有禮貌的一篇，但是有好多字我們可以再重新再 review 一下咯。
好啊。
包括要請 to treat 請嗆 OK, and a big meal 大餐
澎湃
and then my turn 換我
本愛
本愛 OK, now you know it's all about the monthly phrase 每次
大拜。
大拜 All right, Alice, 我請你5次，可不可以說成3次就好了？
可是我要等你請我，我才要請你哦。
好，我先請你5次，你再請我1次。
OK，
這個可以嗎？這個百分比？哎呀，我為什麼要答應他呢？好了，沒關係，都已經說了。
好，我會記得。
That is for today's Practical Haka on ICRT。
什麼太嘎？
按字 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.